Hello, we are from the Wysii High School, Thailand, and we are pleased to present our project title, Analyzing the Relationship Between Ear Characteristics in Two-Dimensional Geometric Aspect and Hearing Factors. One of the most important evolutionary advances in mammal is hearing, which led to the creation of the pinna. Every mammal has a unique pinna that optimizes its hearing capability according to its needs. Thus, we aim to study how the different ear characteristics of various mammals would influence their ability to receive different sounds. Here is the overview of our methods, involving our 5 steps. Firstly, we study the characteristics of the mammalian pinnae and attempted to cover as many classes and orders of mammals as possible. Next, we drill each pinna on graph paper and estimate the 2D surface area based on the shape of trapezoid. Then, we plot points in both X and Y axes, and using the determinant form of the area of a triangle in the matrix to calculate the 2D surface area of each pinna as a control variable. Then, the width and the length of the pinna will be adjusted according to the ratio in order to achieve a similar area. After that, we prepare a pinna mold using dark green clay that originates in the Wysii province. The pinna shaping was done using a free-form clay modeling technique. Then, the pinnae are fried in a laboratory oxidation gas control atmosphere furnace at a temperature of 900 degrees Celsius for 10 hours. And bases were also made to allow the pinnae to stand, mimicking the natural positioning of the pinnae.
Then, we conducted the experiment by recording sounds played at a frequency of 150, 500, 2000, 6000, and 13,000 Hz from the sound source at a distance of 1 meter, 2 meters, and 3 meters in the straight line, as well as at the distance of 1 meter and 2 meters at an angle of 30, 60, and 90 degrees on both the left and right sides by using an Audacity software. Lastly, the software was used to find the highest measured sound intensity level from experiments at its position and frequency, and this data will be compared to find the mammals with the maximum and minimum sound intensity levels, then later used to create summary tables as will be shown on the next page. Additionally, L and R indicated here represent the left and right position when facing towards the pinna or facing in the same direction as the sound source. The results in this table show that, based on variables such as frequency, distance from the sound source, and angle of sound reception, the pinnae of each mammal responded differently to varying sound intensity level. For example, from the table 1, at a distance of 1 meter 0 degree, the bat pinna and the opossum pinna were able to pick up most of the sound at 150 and 6,000 Hz respectively, while the kangaroo pinna was able to pick up most of the sound at 500, 2,000, and 13,000 Hz.
Here is an example of data used. If we want to create a robot to replace a human in a particular task, target amplifier sound may also be required in order to enhance listening capabilities, and this is what the pinna is for. If the robot needs to receive command remotely, we should use data from this section. If the command are human voice, we have frequency ranging from 20 to 20,000 Hz. We might choose the cat pinnae as they cover the widest frequency range. Finally, here are my conclusions. The pinna of each mammal responded differently to varying sound intensity level, and it cannot be concluded only from the shape and the size of the pinna to respond to their hearing, because there are other specific circumstances such as surrounding habitat, environment, as well as survival strategies. The data collected in this work can be used in many applications, such as robot creation and medical hearing aids. Furthermore, when it comes to cost effectiveness, the K we use is readily available in our province. It can be collected and used for free because it is naturally occurring along river banks, and because done granularly has unique moisture retaining properties. Pinna replicas used in the experiment can also be used as decoration, crumble, as scattered over soil, or used in seeding cultivation. And that's all of our project. Thank you for all your attention, and I hope you found this presentation useful.